Dollar climbs after Donald Trump's big tariff threat and French political woes. Currency on course for biggest daily rise since November 5 US presidential election. The dollar notched up its sharpest rise since the day after Donald Trump's election victory, following his threat of huge tariff on BRIC nation and as French political tumult escalated. The dollar index, a measure of the currency against six peers, rose 0.6% on Monday. The euro was among the biggest laggards as France's government teetered on collapse, but other major currencies including the UK pound and Canadian dollar also slipped. Monday gain marked the latest leg of a powerful rally for the dollar, which was boosted by Trump's win in last month's presidential election. Investors have been betting that Trump's tariff plan will be inflationary, hampering the Federal Reserve's ability to reduce interest rates. Trump added to the concern at the weekend when he threatened tariff of 100% against the BRIC countries unless their government agreed not to create a new currency as an alternative to the US dollar. There is little doubt that Trump's tweeting is again proving a key short-term driver in currency market, said Jonas Goldman. A survey from the Institute for Supply Management on Monday, which showed US manufacturing activity cooling by less than expected in November, further bolstered the case for slower rate cut. Okay, this one is a chart for US dollars, dollar index. The Fed cut rates by 0.25% in November following a half-point cut in September as policymakers bet inflation would fall towards their 2% target. Bets on a December rate cut intensified in the US afternoon on Monday after Fed Governor Christopher Waller said he favored a further lowering of interest rate later this month, unless data before the meeting painted a different picture than currently. That led the dollar to give up some of its gains and reduce a rise in US 2-year Treasury yield, which is closely tied to Fed expectation. The note traded little change at 4.18% in later trade. Investors are bracing themselves for several other critical US economic events this week, including remarks by Fed Chief Jay Powell on Wednesday and closely watched job figure on Friday. That's the data that will tell us whether the Fed eases rates by a quarter point this month or pauses, said Andrew Banner. Investors are pricing in a 75% chance the Fed will ease rates by a quarter point when the central bank meets on December 18, according to CME Group data. A series of strong economic reports had led investors to lower the likelihood of a December rate cut in recent weeks and to reduce bets on the scale of further easing next year. Wyntin, global head of market strategy at Brown Brothers Harriman, said the stronger US economy compared with other regions would continue to support higher treasury yield as well as higher dollar. Guy Miller echoed that sentiment, saying the dollar gains had further to run. The euro also slid 0.8% against the dollar to $1.05 as a political crisis in France intensified with Prime Minister Michel Barnier facing a no-confidence vote over his administration tax and spending plan. The closely watched gap or spread between French and German government bond yield rose toward a recent 12-year high. Jim McCormick, macro strategist at Citi, said the risk of a no-confidence vote bringing down the government had helped to weaken the euro and push wider spreads on French sovereign debt. He said the reaction has been modest given the underlying risk.